Yeah, before you guys come at me for opening your door.
What? Oh yeah. You know, he literally always opens my door. That's one thing about Nick. He has always opened every single door for me. But there's certain times like this where I just understand.
My car is so close to the wall, she can't get in. I look-y don't know how to use this camera anymore.
G7X. You also have to remember it's not a wide angle.
Guys, this camera actually is what I used for like 3 years, I guess, coming up on YouTube. From the start, this is the first camera I used on my first YouTube video. And I used it for like 3 years straight. It was reliable, never broke.
Can you tell him what it was?
G7X Canon, guys. It's actually a good camera, I'm not gonna lie. It fits in your pocket too, and it's small, so if you're nervous to vlog in front of people, I think this is the camera. And you can see yourself, it flips up like this. So it's like the perfect vlog camera. But then I upgraded to like this other camera. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. I don't even know if we're gonna vlog today, but I'm gonna try. Today we're taking Josephine somewhere. She has no idea where. And she makes it so hard to surprise her, guys. She has so many questions. She has this and that. I'm like, dude, just get in the car and let's go. She always ruins the surprises. you just make it hard.
No, this is why, and the girls will understand. I just want to know what to wear. So I ask like, what's the vibe? What's the occasion?
But if I tell you, then you're gonna start figuring it out. Yeah. That's what always happens. But when she figures out what we're doing.
This morning, he came out with.
What?
You should see what he's wearing. He's basically wearing swim shorts. And I came out wearing like a cute outfit, like a little like knitted shirt and jean shorts. I'm like, okay, that's obviously not the vibe. That is definitely not what I should be wearing. So then I try, it's fine. I'm excited. I love surprises. Yes, I'm asking about the surprise, but I love surprises, so. So
she brought different outfits, just in case. She wants to change once we find out what we're doing. Where are we going?
We're going to Disneyland.
Guys, Hugo called me and it's playing around the speakers and he's like, are you guys on your way to Disneyland? Hugo ruined the surprise, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Now she knows where we're going.
I love Disneyland, and I literally, while we were getting ready to, I was asking him, I was like, what should I wear? And I asked him, like, should I wear Disneyland attire? Just because I feel like that's like,
I was literally trying to surprise you.
It is a surprise. I didn't know.
It's not.
I swear. I'm gonna tell you guys, I thought we were going to a water park because he said dress for Hawaii, and I feel like he's wearing
I was trying to play some mind games.
Yeah, so I didn't know where we were going at all. Normally I have like a little inkling, but I didn't know at all. What are you doing? What the? Oh my god. Why? So you don't have to give me more?
Hell no, we can't find no more.
Oh my gosh.
You know how expensive these little shits are?
You sound like an angry dad right now.
Dude, I'm stressed, okay? I was so happy to surprise her and the surprise ruined.
It's not ruined.
Today's ruined.
He always is like this, you guys. No, it's not ruined. I love Disneyland. I'm excited.
Alright, well, I'll keep you guys updated when we get there. Almost there, look.
18 minutes. Oh my god, you look so sad.
Guys, my contact, dude. I think the contact went up, like behind my eye.
Oh my god. His eye was literally that was tears?
Yeah, I looked like I was crying.
Oh my, I can't wait till you watch that footage back.
Bro, my contact literally like, sometimes it goes up, like way behind my eye.
Oh.
And I thought I was gonna have to pull it out, and it's not an ideal situation.
Oh, because it's not clean?
Yeah.
35. Thanks, babe. You guys, I think when we get in there, I'm gonna go to one of the shops and buy like a little kid shirt. Yeah, the more I'm thinking about it, this is just not acceptable.
Really? There was this one time when I was coming in there once in my GTR. I brought my GTR to Disneyland once, and I scraped my lip on that entrance right there. Because the guy that was paying, he was like, "This is a sick car, bro." He distracted me, and I went, boom! I hit my lip. And even to this day, if you look at like the driver's side of my GTR, it's scraped because of this dude. He distracted me. He was literally complimenting my car too.
I changed.
She changed, guys. Why?
Because I didn't know we were going to Disneyland.
She thinks her shirt was a little too provocative.
I wouldn't have worn that shirt.
It wasn't bad.
Yes, it was. For Disneyland?
It's not my fault.
Anyways,
You wanted big boobies.
Sure.
We're gonna go on my favorite ride now, guys. Let's get it.
Your favorite ride, and also tell them what you do, how you get the genie.
Oh yeah, we got the fast pass. It's definitely worth it, I promise. Like, I think 30 bucks a person. I don't know, but
We just zoom through.
we about to go on every ride right now.
We're
Watch.
out of there. We'll be done with every ride in this place in like an hour.
All right, let's
We'll
go.
be gone.
All right, my favorite ride, guys. Soaring over the world. We're about to go flying.
Wait, are you gonna vlog it? Like you do?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, but you're not supposed to.
I don't know. Holy crap. Well, this ride is sick. All right, we off.
Actually, I'm scared.
Holy This ride is crazy. Oh my god. What? No, it's not. It literally feels like you're flying. No way. Bro, Justin's actually scared, guys.
Okay.
This ride is sick. It's my favorite ride. Oh my god. We're literally flying. Where are we at?
It smells like grass.
Yeah, you can literally smell the grass. It's so crazy. And the elephant shit.
Alright. Joe Rogan. What is it to say that?
The Joe Rogan podcast? Oh, you guys know I like this.
I want to move here.
I'll be in that water right now.
We're
Damn.
gonna see this next year.
This is the cheapest way to take your girl to Paris, guys. Now we don't have to go anymore. You feel like crying?
Yes.
Babe, look at the cast, man. Everyone's so happy. Oh my god. I love this ride. It's so
Every time
fun.
I forget. It is a little scary.
I know.
I feel like it's the beginning, is it not?
Yeah, it's scary. That ride or no?
No,
Why?
I'm so scared. What are those called?
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheels. You guys, we went on one. Where was it?
Irvine Spectrum. It's tiny. And she was so scared.
You guys,
She was literally
that is-
crying.
No, I was seriously crying.
And I'm not joking. Like, literally
And
tears.
I'm not dramatic.
All right, we're going on it.
I'm not going on that. And you guys, Nick is gonna be so mad at me, and I don't care. I'm not going on that.
GTO launch.
4, 3, 2, 1,
I think my GTR launch is faster than that. I swear it does. Come on.
Is it the one that we've been on before?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to record. Hopefully I don't drop the camera. All right, here we go. Roller coaster. I'm so scared. Just kidding. Josephine is though. Oh. You ready?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! I'm gonna drop the camera. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Josephine!
Oh my god, we're so high! Oh my god,
Oh shit! Oh!
my leg!
What? Was that crazy?
Yeah,
How do you feel?
I don't remember going upside down. Look at my leg.
My legs feel like spaghetti. You okay? Guys, I swear I almost dropped the camera like 3 or 4 times. I honestly don't know how I recorded that. Not gonna lie. I don't even know if I recorded anything, to be honest. We're gonna have to wait till I edit. I think we're gonna have to wait till we edit this. There was at one point I was drooling on the camera.
Me too! I was like, I hope to God he's not showing me right now.
Look at Josephine.
I'm crying.
Over here laughing at you. Alright, you're gonna be mad, but I booked it one more time. Go. One more time.
Why?
I'm just kidding.
You guys, it's like that. He does stuff like that all the time.
What if we went twice? Guys, Josephine literally lost her phone. She forgot it on the roller coaster. You're stressed?
You guys, work on this. Everything's on this. We'll be screwed.
So what, you left it on there?
Yeah. If you were writing it, I left my phone. I was there like 5 minutes ago. I cannot believe it was still there.
About to grub. Got some quesabirria. I don't know how to say it. Some horchata. And then she got potato tacos or something. I don't know. Some vegetarian stuff. She's so mad, guys. Look what she had to buy.
But I got the kids one.
She bought a poncho so she doesn't get wet.
Covers my clothes.
It's 100 degrees, bro.
All guys are watching this, but the girls have to understand, walking around with wet, tight clothes, it's not good.
Bro, this is gonna be hilarious, bro. I can't believe Josephine's gonna be wearing a raincoat over here. Come on, Josephine, come on. There's no way you're wearing this, dude.
It's literally soaking. Everything's soaking. My shirt's soaking. Everything's.
She's so mad, guys. Low key, low key. She's very mad at me. Just pull it so he doesn't choke you. Rip it.
No, but the seat's wet, so I'd rather my butt. I'm just not even gonna look.
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 Oh, I thought we were gonna go down.
We're gonna go up, then down. You ever hear that story about one of these flipping? And they all died.
Okay.
I swear. It went upside down.
Oh! It seems unnecessary.
That's perfect for this weather. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. How do we go? What? Oh!
Why does it
My shoes, dude!
I'm so...
My shoes! Josephine, my shoes!
Good.
My socks!
Good. My feet are soaked.
Yeah, my feet are... I thought we were gonna flip, I swear.
What? What? What do you want from me?
She's so, dude.
I don't think that you guys should buy the poncho. I think it does nothing.
It doesn't work?
No. Poncho, it was $9. But it's the kids' one. Okay, we just got off the ride. Wasn't that bad.
Did the poncho work?
The poncho I would not recommend because
Why?
well, I got the kids size, so it didn't really fit. My whole butt is wet. Also, our shoes.
Yeah, my right sock is completely soaked. There's probably water in my shoe right now.
Yeah, our shoes are for sure the things that are wet. And actually that's more irritating than my shorts being wet. So I guess we'll let it dry. It actually feels pretty good. I do cuss a little. I don't know, this is good.
You guys hear that shit? Like, that shit's popping. They put Pop Rocks in it.
It just kind of tastes like Sprite, huh?
Yeah.
With Pop Rocks.
They scammed us. They got us. Oh my god, what are we doing?
Oh, what the?
You go.
How do I do this?
I don't know, to be honest.
We're gonna do this together?
Yeah.
What the heck is this?
Supervise younger
Should I keep my bag on like this?
to make your rock.
First off, it's way too hot for Disneyland today.
It is so hot.
We might have to call it early.
He always tries to make us stay until
Fireworks.
the fireworks, and they cancel every single time.
Yeah,
every
I've
single
taken
time.
Disneyland 2 times just to see fireworks. And they cancel them. They should give you your money back. Fireworks get canceled.
Matter of fact. Okay, guys, I don't know what this thing is. I think this pulls us higher, huh?
Yep. Oh my god, Josephine. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Go up
wait,
and down.
I'm actually scared.
Go up and down.
Wait, I'm actually scared.
Josephine, you're scared of every ride.
Oh my god, it's actually
Holy shit. Holy cow, we're going fast. Oh my god, we're going fast. Josephine, go down, go up and down, go up and down.
How did I do that?
Go, pull it forward. Oh, we're going down, we're going down, we're going down. Woo! Josephine, it's gonna flip off. I swear it's gonna come off, bro.
Why would you say that? Nick, no, don't say that.
Come off.
No, no.
Oh my God, I think it's gonna come off. Wait, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Go up, go high, go high, go high. All the way up. Go all the way up, all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Josephine, all the way.
It is all the way. Oh my God, I'm scared.
Holy shit, this is going fast.
Oh my God, what? You guys, Nick says I'm scared of everything, but why would he say it's about to fall off? Oh my God, this is scary.
I think I might throw up.
No, dude.
Here, drop my camera.
It's my camera.
Rocket ships have initiated landing procedures. Please remain seated until your rocket ship comes to a complete...
Everything? Your phone.
Yeah. Oh my God. After last time, guys, let me actually make sure. Hold on. Live fast at Disneyland. I think that Disneyland feels magical when it's not hot.
How are you on that ride dehydrated? Bro, this shit looks so bomb. We got ice cream, guys.
Mine's vanilla. Wait, what did you get?
Mint chip,
Rocky.
Rocky Road. My favorite. And I think we might call it a day. It's low-key too hot out here.
Hot, you guys.
I think we're gonna... Look it, it's melting. We're about to tap out.
Nick loves ice cream. Dude, you ate that like it was... I just realized how you ate that.
What?
Like you bit...
I ate one scoop.
You bit the whole top off like it was like a muffin or something. Look what Nick got me. Rich. It's upside down. For sure the loudest car in Disney.
Whose idea was it to come to Disneyland in the summer?
It's so...
I'm never doing that again, guys. Don't recommend. My neck is burning.
You can't really see, but once we get outside, I'm sure we'll be able to tell.
We're gonna head home, guys, and see what else we get. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little Disneyland vlog. I vlogged as much as I could, and that's pretty good for me.
It is. Actually, I'm super proud.
Me too.
How much you vlogged.
Because you guys know I'm bad at this lifestyle stuff, but I'm trying to get there.
I feel like they like it, right?
We're learning how to be a YouTuber.
Right.
Ban us from Disneyland forever?
What? Oh, for doing that? I'd be so sad, dude.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.